So this is question 2D. We're showing that for y being that, we've got to make this equation true. Alright, so first of all we need to differentiate to get dy by dx and then double differentiate it as well. Alright, so let's do that first. So y equals 3x ln x. Now, there's just one term there. There's no pluses or minuses or anything like that. But I can see x appearing twice. So that means I'm going to be using the product rule. So f is going to be 3x. G is going to be ln of x. F dash is 3. G dash is 1 over x. And so then we cross multiply that. Okay. So therefore we get dy by dx equals f times g dash, which is 3x times 1 over x. And then the other way, g times f dash, ln of x times 3. So if we tidy that up, we get 3, these x's cancel out. So I've just got 3 plus 3 ln of x times 3. Oh, sorry, we've got the times 3 at the front. Okay, so that's for that one. We'll just highlight that because we're going to be using that later on. Here's our y. Okay, now we're going to double differentiate it. So that's d squared what for dx squared. Okay, this is a little bit simpler to actually differentiate because this now no longer is a product rule because there's no x with the 3. 3 just disappears, this 3 just disappears. 3 ln of x becomes 3 times 1 over x, which is just 3 over x. Okay, so we'll highlight that. So those are the ones that we're using. So we choose the more complicated side. So oops, let's change the pen. Right hand side, 3 times dy by dx minus 9 over d squared y over dx squared, and just substitute things in now. So we've got 3 dy by dx, which is this is that highlighted bit at the top there, minus 9 over dy squared over y, d squared y over dx squared, which is the second derivative, which is 3 over x. Now remember when we've got, I'll just do that. So let's tidy up the top line. So that becomes 9 multiplying out, expanding out, plus 9 ln of x. Then we've got the minus 9. And then when we divide fractions easy as pie, flip the second and multiply. So we're going to times that by x over 3. Okay, so if we tidy up. So what we're trying to do is we want it equal to y. And remember y is this 3x times ln of x. So that's where we want to get to. So this 9 minus 9 cancel out. Okay, so then we're putting this together with that. So remember we were multiplying that all out, but the 9's have cancelled out. So we're timesing 9 ln of x by x over 3. So that becomes 9x ln x. Because the x I've now put with a 9 and then the 3 on the bottom. The 9 and the 3 cancel out. And I get 3x ln of x, which of course is equal to y. And because we started by calling it the right hand side, we call it equal the left hand side. And that's how you do that one.